Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create a desktop shortcut that takes you directly to any website. This is super handy if there are sites you visit every day and want the fastest way to get to them. If you find this useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Here I am on my Windows 11 desktop. I'm going to open up my browser, Microsoft Edge in this case, and head over to my favorite website, YouTube. As you know, one option is to add the site to your favorites bar. Just click the Favorites button, give it a name, hit Done, and now whenever I open a new tab, I can click that shortcut at the top and it takes me right to YouTube. But let's make it even faster by creating a desktop shortcut.
All you need to do is go up to the website address bar, look at the little icon to the right of the URL, and click Install. Alternatively, go to the website address bar, look at the little icon to the left of the URL, click, hold, and drag it onto your desktop. And boom, a new shortcut is created. If I close my browser and then double-click on it, boom, it takes me straight to YouTube.
And that's it. A quick and easy way to create a desktop shortcut to your favorite websites. If this video is helpful, let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.